Hi guys, my name is Akmal and my group and I are going to present about computer network. Our group consists of 4 people, me, Haras, Kaisun and Akmal Daniel. First thing first, what is computer network? Computer network is a group of devices that are connected together to share resources, communicate and exchange data. These networks enable devices to connect and communicate with each other either within a small area or across the world. We use computer network to share things like files, talk to people and get online. They help us to work from anywhere and keep our data safe. In short, networks make it easier to connect, share and access information across the world.
So why we use computer network? One of the main use of a computer network is resource sharing. Instead of providing every user with separated device, a network allows multiple computers to share hardware, software, and data. For example, a single printer in an office can serve all employees, or files stored in a central server can be accessed by everyone in the organization. This saves costs, reduces duplication, and increase efficiency. Another important use of network is communication. Through email, instant messaging, video calls, and collaboration platforms, people can easily exchange information and work together, even if they are in different locations. This makes decision making faster and teamwork more efficient. Finally, networks provide internet access to all connected devices through a single connection. In schools, office, and homes, users can browse the webs, access cloud service, and stay connected globally. Sharing internet access not only reduces expenses but also make management and security much simpler. There are many types of computer networks, but in our slides we only go through 4 of them, which is local area networks, metropolitan area networks, wide area networks, and also personal area networks. A local area network (LAN) is a small network that connects computers within a limited space such as a home, schools, or office building. It is fast, cost efficient, and commonly used for sharing resources like printers and files. A metropolitan area network (MAN) is larger than a LAN and connects multiple local networks within a city or a large campus. Examples include cable TV networks or citywide Wi-Fi service. A wide area network (WAN) covers an even larger area, often spanning countries or continents. The internet itself is the best example of a WAN as it links millions of computers worldwide.
Good morning everyone. Now I'll be talking about the personal area network, or commonly known as PAN. It connects just a few devices within a person reach. For example, between a phone, a laptop, or even your tablet. Now moving on to the network devices. Network depend on the devices such as router, switches, hub, access points, and modems to link your computers and provide the internet access. But network also face a few challenges. One major issue is security risk, where hackers or viruses can steal your data. Another challenge is the maintenance. Since networks need constant updates and troubleshooting, there's also a problem of downtime. When the network is unavailable, it can disrupt communication work and even the business operation. These challenges show that while the networks are powerful, they are also require strong protection and regular care.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I will talk about the advantage and disadvantage of computer network. First and foremost, the advantages. One of the biggest benefits is file sharing. Networks allow users to share documents, software, and data easily between computers. Another advantage is cost efficiency. Instead of buying separate devices for each user, a network can connect them and share resources, which reduces costs. Finally, communication is much faster and more effective through emails, chat, and video calls, which improve teamwork. However, there are also disadvantages. The first one is the high initial cost of equipment and setup, which can be expensive. Another issue is that viruses and malware can spread quickly across the network, creating security risks. There are also problems like data breaches and privacy issues, which can expose sensitive information. Last but not least, if there is a network failure, it can stop all work entirely until the problem is fixed. In conclusion, computer networks are very useful, but we must also be aware of their risks and take proper security measures.
Alright, that's all from us. Bye.